You just shut every window in the house. That should handle it, right? Here's the problem. Your home isn't airtight. Not even close. So does outdoor AQI actually affect the air inside your home? We'll get to that in just a minute. But first, there's a myth worth busting because it's the thing tripping most people up. Indoor air isn't automatically cleaner just because it's indoors. It's a mix of whatever's leaking in from outside, plus whatever's being generated inside. Cooking, cleaning products, everyday dust. So, back to the question. Yes, outdoor AQI does affect indoor air, and it happens in 3 ways. First, infiltration. Tiny gaps around window frames, door thresholds, even where cables or pipes pass through an exterior wall. None of it looks like much of its own, but PM 2.5 particles are small enough that it adds up over a day. Second, natural ventilation. Every time a door opens, every time a window's cracked for a few minutes of fresh air, outside air comes in with it. Good on a clean day, not so good on a smoky one. Third, your air system, whether that's central HVAC, a furnace, a window unit, or a mini split. Most systems recirculate the air already inside your house, but they're not sealed loops. Duct leaks in an attic or a crawl space can pull outdoor air in without you ever touching a window, and even standalone units exchange some air with whatever's right outside of them. This matters most in a few specific situations. Picture a wildfire smoke event that drags into its 3rd or 4th day, not just one bad afternoon. Or an older home with original windows and a foundation that's settled in a little over the years. More gaps, more places for air to move through. Both scenarios mean more outside air finding its way in, whether you notice it or not. So here's what actually helps. These are 5 moves that actually make a difference. 1. Check the number. Don't guess. Smoke isn't always visible, and your nose stops registering it after about 20 minutes. Pull up a live AQI map. That number is what decides whether today is a window open day or a window shut day. 2. Close up, including the part you've probably never looked at. Windows and doors shut, obviously. But if your HVAC or your window unit has a fresh air intake, close it or switch the system to recirculate. Most people don't know they have one, and go easy on single hose portable air conditioners on smoky days. EPA warns they can actually pull more smoke in from elsewhere in the house. This is the biggest lever you have. Modeling from Lawrence Berkeley National Lab puts homes with open windows at 83 to 95% of the outdoor particle increase. Closed up with central air, that drops to 33 to 44%. 3. Filter what's already inside. Run your system's fan on, not auto, so air keeps cycling through the filter instead of only moving when the system calls for heat or cool. And the filters matter here. For smoke, EPA points to MERV 13, or as high as your system can handle. That second half is doing real work. Not every system can take a MERV 13 without restricting airflow, so check your system's equipment specs or ask an HVAC tech first. Either way, expect to change it more often during a smoke event than the box says. 4. Stop adding to it. This is the one people skip, and it's free. No candles, no incense, no aerosol sprays. Skip the frying in anything high heat or long cooking on the stove. Hold off on vacuuming unless your vacuum has a HEPA air filter. A damp cloth or mop picks up settled dust without putting it back into the air. 5. Know when to open back up. Watch the AQI, and when it improves, even temporarily, that's your window to air the house out. You're not sealed in for the duration, you're waiting for a break and taking it. And one honest caveat, if it's hot and you don't have AC, this gets harder. EPA's guidance is to cool the house down, then close up and filter the indoor air. If you can't stay cool with the windows shut and you can't tolerate the smoke, that's the point to go somewhere else. A library, a mall, a friend's place. Heat is its own risk, and toughing it out in a sealed hot house isn't the win it feels like. Before the season, seal the obvious gaps. Weather stripping around doors, caulk where cables and pipes pass through exterior walls. Real, but it's a Saturday project, not a smoke day fix. Stock filters ahead of time. They sell out regionally during smoke events, and you'll be changing them faster than usual. Find your fresh air intake now. Figure out whether you have one and how to close it before you need to know at 6 a.m. Your house isn't a bubble. It's more like a lung, and it's constantly exchanging air with whatever's outside of it. Check your filter's MERV rating and pull up a live AQI map before deciding today's a window open day or a window shut day. It's linked below.